She loved him when life was stable, not because he was extraordinary, but because he was reliable. He had a job, a routine, and a calm confidence that made the future look safe. Every morning, he left home on time, returned in the evening tired but satisfied, and spoke about small dreams as if they were already real. A better house one day, a peaceful life, a sense of security. She listened, smiled, and believed in him. Or at least, she believed in the life he represented. Their days were simple and warm. Weekend dinners, quiet walks, soft laughter. There was no rush, no fear. Love felt easy when bills were paid on time and plans felt certain. In her eyes, he was dependable. In his heart, she was home. Then something happened that love alone could not protect. One ordinary day, without noise or warning, his life changed. There was no accident, no dramatic moment, just an email. A short message saying his role was no longer required. The company was restructuring. His job was gone. He stared at the screen for a long time, trying to understand how something so stable could disappear so suddenly. When he went home early that day, she noticed the silence on his face before he spoke a word. "I lost my job," he said quietly. She hugged him. She said the right things. She told him everything would be okay, that he would find another job soon. But deep inside her, something shifted. It was silent, invisible, but real. The days that followed were heavy. He woke up early, just like before, but now there was no office to go to. Instead, there were resumes to send and phone calls to wait for. Hope every morning, disappointment every evening. He kept trying, even when rejection became routine. She changed too. Conversations became shorter. Smiles slowly disappeared. Where she once asked how his day was, she now asked if there was any update. Her patience faded with each passing week. She began comparing other people's success, other men's stability, other lives that seemed to move forward while they stood still. He felt the distance growing, but he stayed quiet. He was already fighting his own fears. He didn't want to add another burden. One evening, she said she was tired of uncertainty. She said she needed stability. She said she never imagined her life like this. Her voice was calm, but her words were heavy. He looked at her and realized something painful. The love he believed was unconditional had limits he never noticed before. It was tied to his income, his position, his ability to provide comfort. When he softly asked if her love depended on his job, she didn't answer. Silence filled the room. And in that silence, the truth became clear. She left soon after. No arguments, no tears, just a quiet decision to walk away from a life that no longer felt secure. The house felt empty, not because she was gone, but because an illusion had ended. Weeks later, he found another job. It wasn't perfect, but it was honest. On his first day, standing in front of the mirror and fixing his collar, he smiled. Not because life was easy again, but because he had survived something painful. She didn't come back. And that was when he truly understood life's lesson. Some people love you not for who you are, but for what you provide. When stability disappears, their affection fades. Real love doesn't leave when life becomes uncertain. It stays, struggles, and grows stronger in hard times. Jobs can be lost. Money can come and go. But the person who truly loves you never walks away when you fall. They stand beside you until you rise again. That day, he didn't just find a new job. He found clarity. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe us for more.